The most powerful swing trading strategy isn't about guessing, it's about stacking confirmations. Because the biggest market moves don't happen randomly, they follow repeatable patterns.
Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a really powerful strategy for swing trading. Trying to catch those price moves that happen over a few days or weeks. It's called the lethal combination, and it's all about using a few key indicators together to find trade setups you can feel really confident about.
I mean, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Everybody says you can't perfectly time the market, and yeah, that's probably true. But what you can do is have a structured, data-driven plan that gives you a serious edge. You'll find that the biggest moves in the market, well, they don't just happen randomly. They often follow a predictable pattern.
So, how do we spot that pattern? Well, we're going to stop guessing and start building a toolkit. We're talking about 3 specific technical indicators. Now, each one is useful on its own, but the real magic, the reason we call it lethal, is when all 3 of them line up and flash the same signal at the same time. That's when you know a stock might be getting ready to move.
So here's the game plan for today. We're going to break down each of these 3 tools one by one so you really get what they do. Then we'll put them all together into the full 3-step strategy. And finally, and this is absolutely crucial, we'll talk about how to manage your trades and protect your money.
Okay, let's start with the big idea here. This strategy isn't about jumping on a stock that's already taken off. No, it's about being smarter than that. It's about using data to find good, solid companies that are kind of flying under the radar, coiling up like a spring, and getting ready for a potential breakout. Right, so the main takeaway here is that we never, ever rely on just one signal. Any single indicator can give you a false alarm now and then. What we're doing is patiently waiting for 3 different confirmations to all point in the same direction. When they do, our confidence in that trade just goes through the roof.
All right, let's get into our first tool. The central pivot range, or CPR for short, is kind of like our secret weapon. It helps us understand what a stock is doing right now. Is it just chilling out and moving sideways? Or is it getting ready to make a big run? The CPR gives us the answer.
And what's so cool is you can literally see the story right on the chart. Look at the left side. A narrow CPR is like a...
Watch the full video on my channel, this is just the beginning.